I am Dr. Javier Fernandez. I am the President-elect of the World Federation of Intensive and Critical Care. And I would like to extend an invitation for you to attend the 20th Emirates Critical Care Conference. The Emirates Critical Care Conference is one of the most important meetings in critical care in the world. This year, the World Federation of Intensive and Critical Care will celebrate a council meeting during the course of the event. In addition, the members of the council will be part of the faculty of this conference. This is a great opportunity for you to meet extraordinary leaders in critical care on the world, as well as to increase your networking opportunities. We'd like to see you in Dubai in May in the course of the 20th Emirates Critical Care Conference. See you there.